don't ram me the first corner like I always get rammed. Awesome.
And the race is underway. We got Jon Musser out front. He makes a big mistake and swings the Corr Truck Jenkins to get after the lead. Looks like we got Jon in third with Christy running fourth. That just made a huge mistake.
Now landing.
Ringo just goes for the big jump in the front. So does Jon Musser. Guys are looking good, going real fast. Rick Jenkins managing the middle section over there pretty good. Oh, watch out the straightaway to the first corner. We do have an accident. It is now clear.
A little faster there, Jon.
Alright, we got 5 minutes left. We got Rick Jenkins out front by a couple corners. Jon Musser running in second. Oh, Rick flips over right after the front. Let Jon get close.
Daddy!
Oh, this one,
what?
I'm racing. What?
Yourself a little bit of breathing.
Ice cream!
Yes, well, I'm racing right now, sweetie.
Give me.
No. No, Alyssa, we're going to dinner soon.
Oh, looks like the leader makes a huge mistake in front straightaway, but then so does Jon. Lets Rick get back out in front, goes for the big jump in the front. Looks a little squirrely, Jon hits a little bit cleaner. Rick goes through the rhythm section, makes a huge mistake off the last double, flips it over. Jon catches up just a little bit more. Oh, Rick just makes another big mistake, lets Jon back out front. Oh, Rick makes an aggressive pass over the double in the back straightaway, gets back out front, jumps right on his bumper. And through the rhythm section we go with our leaders. Guy with the orange splits, you might want to pull over. Those are your leaders right coming up next to you. Thank you. Jon back out front. Rick trying to catch him again, see if he can get back in front of him. Rick gets the pass over the double. They're coming into the front section. See what's going to happen. Oh, there's a little bit of a tangle up. Guys that are sitting down in the front section, watch out. Those are your leaders. Please move over. Looks like Jon makes a little bit of a mistake in the rhythm section. Let's Rick catch up just a little bit. Left. Alright, with 2 minutes and 45 seconds left, we got Jon Musser out front, Rick Jenkins in second, Dean in third. Third marshals, if you can, please pay attention to your sections instead of watching the race, please.
What the hell? Couldn't see because of the tow marshal.
They're catching Musser.
Alright, with just a couple minutes left, we got Jon Musser running out front, Rick Jenkins in second. Watch out, that is your leader. See if Rick can make up the gap coming down the back straightaway. Super strong. Jon makes a little bit of a mistake over there in the corner. See if he can recoup from that one. They both go for the big jump in front. Looks real clean. Got a good battle going on for first. Into the rhythm section. Rick Jenkins skips it, but Jon comes back on the inside. Twinkletoe's going huge on that back section. Got a little bit of rubbing going on. Oh, Jon takes back over Lee with the inside pass. Looks like Rick's going to try and get back in front of him again.
Oh, sorry. It's alright. High racing here. It's going to have a little bit of bump.
This is a great race going in the Corr class. Oh, no. Jon makes a big mistake in the front, lets Rick get back out front, see if Jon can catch him again.
Yeah, if I'd have been like another, I think 15 seconds.
With just under a minute left, we got Twinkle Toes running out front in the back straightaway. Jon just getting into it, see if he can catch him. You guys are putting on one heck of a battle.
Run together. We'll run at the same time.
Watch out! In that back section between the double, there is a dead truck in there. Dead truck. Jon making a clean pass. Getting through the lapper. See if he can catch him. Rick going into the inside. Oh, makes a big mistake. Jon's going to catch him on this one. Jon gets the lead back from Rick after he had a commanding lead. See what happens in the front straightaway. Rick to the inside, jumps on top of Jon, flips over. Races over, finish the lap you're on. Rick has to do a last minute dash to see if he can get the lead. If Jon stays clear, he's got this. And Jon gets the win with Twinkle Toes Rick Jenkins for second.